You're one video away from learning how to make this wonderful butter chicken and finding out what this duck has to do with it.
Spicy notes, the rhythm's hot. Pour the spice, stir the pot. Spicy notes, one beat, one flame. Different dish, but same old game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Spicy Notes. Thank you very much for voting in the last videos.
Yeah, we had a clear winner. Butter chicken. Okay, so the things you're going to need in order to make butter chicken are, firstly, chicken. Then, garlic and ginger, onions and tomatoes, spicy or mild paprika powder, as you prefer, tiny bit of yogurt, butter, the more the better, cashew nuts, bay leaves, and cinnamon bark. And then things you can add that make it even more special are gram masala and a tiny bit of cream, whipping cream. Yes? Things you anyway have at home, salt and oil.
So, among all the dishes we made so far, this is the most complex one.
But it's butter chicken, so absolutely worth it. Also, you're just one song away from knowing how to do it.
Butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Cut the chicken cube by cube, firm and clean like on YouTube. Add some salt, a gentle shake, then ginger, garlic, grate them, break paprika, bright and chili fine. A spoon of yogurt makes it shine. Mix it well till colors blend. Let it sit, let spices mend. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Chop the onions not too small, rough and honest, that is all. Tomatoes next, then grate anew. Some ginger, garlic, fragrant crew. These are notes that build the song. They make the bass both deep and strong. Butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Heat the pan and add some butter. Watch it melt and softly flutter. In goes chicken, spice and grace. Brown it gently, face by face. Let it sear, then lift with care. Set aside, don't lose that flair. Wipe the pan, reset the stage. We're turning now a deeper page. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Butter first, then cashews fall. Onions, garlic, tomatoes all. Fry them slow till soft and sweet. This is where the flavors meet. Then to the blender make it smooth. A velvet paste, a golden groove. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Wipe the pan and start anew. Butter spice is rich and true. Bay leaf, clove and cinnamon bark, till your kitchen smells like spark. Now add a whole bottle of wine while you sing. No, wait, I'm joking, don't. You would ruin everything. Add the chicken back in, let it simmer low and patient for 10 more minutes until the sauce clings to every piece like silk. Return the chicken, stir with grace, let it simmer, find its place. 10 more minutes, low and slow, till the sauce begins to glow. Add cream fresh and butter too, but please no sugar. Please don't. Butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Butter chicken full of flair, love is in the air.
So, we hope you liked it. See, in the end, it's not so difficult to make butter chicken.
Yes, and what we are really curious about, if you were too concentrated looking at how it was made, or if you have noticed that the children have hidden this duck throughout the video 3 times. Can you spot it? Let us know in the comments. We will be very curious if it was too easy or too difficult.
Okay, while you search for the duck, we are going to enjoy our butter chicken with naan, and let us know if you want to know how to make naan.
Please don't butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Butter chicken full of flair, spices dancing in the air. Butter chicken warm and bright hugs your tongue and says good night. Butter chicken full of flair, love is in